I'll guide you through linking your bank's debit card to Cash App, the fastest way to add money without confusing it with your cash card. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. To link an external debit card from another bank, open Cash App and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap the Linked Banks section. Select the Link Debit Card option. Input your 16-digit card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing zip code, which are required information to verify your bank card. Tap Link Card to finalize the connection. This confirms the details and links your card for immediate use. To fund your account, navigate back to the main screen and tap the money icon and tap the Add Money button. Enter the desired amount and confirm the transfer from your linked debit card. This uses your newly linked card to fund your Cash App balance. To avoid fees, do not attempt to link gift cards as they are not supported. Also, avoid linking a credit card as using it for payments will trigger a steep 3% fee. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for more digital payments video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.